nice breaker.
Yeah.
We need one of his cousins.
No doubt. He just missed one about 5 minutes earlier. I pulled the camera out and fish dropped it. Biggin?
Oh, no, he come off. It's like a 4-pounder. Get him, dog.
Oh! Giant, 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 giant. It's on, it's on. Giant, giant. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh my God, that's a 7-pounder. That's a good one, that's a good one, that's a good one. Come here, buddy, please don't come off. Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Dang it, man, he came off. Oh my goodness, dude, that was a big one. Right here at the boat. Good thing I grabbed him first, though. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that is an absolute Alabama River giant right there, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm about to get the release. And there she goes. Oh, just got balked. Dude, there's so much bait in here. Dude, if there are crappie in here, there's liable to be 3-4 pound crappie in here. Quit with the cussing, man.
This is new to me, okay? Giant dude. 6 pounds.
Look at him sitting there ripping drag. That's a tank, y'all.
Heck yeah, man. Beautiful.
Another 5.5 pounder.
Yep. No, that one's a little bit bigger.
Nah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably a 6. Oh my goodness, y'all. Some absolute Alabama River giants back here in this slough. Ooh, big females. These fish look like they're still pre-spawn. Absolute studs. Let me see how long this fish is. Oh, never mind, this fish is bleeding. I'm gonna get it back quick. I didn't see that fish was bleeding or else I'd have put it back faster, y'all.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw me on a, oh, I do have a spinnerbait on.
All right, he's ready to go. Whoa! That's 3 fish for 15 pounds.
Yeah. Dude, this is crazy.
We putting together a decent little limit, my man.
Oh, yeah, dude, this is crazy.
It's like every fish in here is a giant. I might crappie fish it on the way back. Oh, dude, I just got smoked again. I was gonna say I'm gonna crappie fish on the way back out, probably. It's a dang pickerel.
No, dude, I've never seen one.
Look, that's what people were saying they thought your walleye was. I haven't caught one of these on the river in a while, dude. Look at that, y'all. Old chain pickerel. Look at the teeth on them.
I know about the pickerel.
That's crazy. See you later. And he burnt my spun bait. Yeah, y'all, this day started out tough. I haven't even been videoing much today. We started off fishing the Cahaba River, bass fish for a little bit. I caught one keeper size spot bass, or spotted bass. And then we set up catfishing for a good while. My buddy Gavin caught a couple decent little channel cats, but that was about it. I didn't hardly even get a bite. And so we moved way on down the Cahaba until it met with the Alabama River. And now we are fishing back in a slough on the Alabama River. And it's safe to say we have found a winning, or we have found a pattern. There's no doubt about that. These fish are in here and they are big. My first one on the frog. I saw that fish back there chilling. Do what?
No. It's a decent one though, ain't it?
Yeah, probably just a 3-pounder. Maybe 4. Got that frog in hell though.
Not bad at all.
My goodness.
Strong fish.
Yeah, boy. I saw that one. Sitting there, come out and get it. But he was the smallest one over there, so we're gonna throw him back and get back in there. That was the first fish I've caught out of this kayak standing up, and I can say that went pretty smooth. Yeah, his buddies are still right there. Watch, I'm about to catch another one. Oh, nope, they called my bluff. Mason.
Got one. I was about to say, I seen him.
I know. He didn't have it, he just had the legs.
Oh look, there's another one swimming through the trees right there.
That's the smallest one yet back here. I got another one too, dude. 2 casts in a row, little baby. There's another big one.
You gotta be kidding, dog. No, dude, there's no fish.
What? He's right there up under you, Mason. He's up under you. He's up under you. He's coming. Dude, that was awesome. What you know about live scope? Who needs live scope, huh? Who got live scope when you need live eyes? Broke me off. You want to know something, dude? That was the only doggone frog I got. I didn't bring my Topwater box with me, dude. Crappie!
Really?
Yep. Keeper too. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's a big old slab crappie. Oh my gosh. Giant crappie, Mason. Oh, yes, sir. That's what we want right there. That's a doggone hoss. Oh, my goodness. Yes, sir. That's a big old crappie right there. Another slab of a white crappie going on the stringer.